Why Failure is Good for You, Even if It Doesn't Feel Good, by Elizabeth Enochs, December 16th, 2016, from Bustle.com. No one likes to fail, and that makes perfect sense. Failure doesn't feel good, and it usually costs us a large chunk of money, time, and self-respect. On top of that, comebacks are exhausting. Here's the thing though. To some degree, failure is an unavoidable part of life. Whether they're big or small, none of us can avoid experiencing setbacks from time to time, and that's okay. In fact, it's more than just okay to fail. It's necessary. According to successful people and researchers alike, failure is actually good for us for a number of reasons. Failure makes us far more interesting because we learn more from failure than success. It turns out that learning how to bounce back from failure is a helpful skill to possess if you want to succeed. It is important to realize that failure is a healthy part of life. Here are just a few ways failure can be good for us. Learning how to cope with failure is a valuable skill. Feeling like a failure is hard, but learning how to handle failure can only help you succeed in the future. The more you manage to bounce back from failure, the less scary failure will seem. And if you're not terrified by failure, you'll be more likely to take the kind of risks that could really pay off. On top of that, recovering from obstacles builds confidence. As certified life coach Pam Bauer put it in an article for the Huffington Post last month, failure is a skill to develop. If you're good at falling down and getting back up, you'll be confident going into new situations because you know you'll be okay no matter what happens. Failure is a crucial and inspiring part of success. Anyone who has ever succeeded at anything is probably familiar with failure because success usually takes more than one try, and experts agree that failure can inspire us to work harder and ultimately achieve our goals. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before he succeeded in inventing the light bulb. J.K. Rowling was recently fired from her secretary job when she started writing Harry Potter, and then Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone was rejected a whopping 12 times by various publishers. As Winston Churchill said, success is stumbling from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. So there you have it. Literally everyone fails, and it's more than okay. The next time you try something new, give yourself permission to fail, even if it's in a big way.